Have you ever spent hours at your instrument trying to write a song, only to come up with the most generic piece of music in existence? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you how to overcome this frustration and be inspired to write new music every time you pick up your instrument. Sometimes our lack of creativity comes from our lack of variety in the music we listen to. For example, I listened to a lot of rock music, but was getting stuck in a rut listening to the same bands over and over. I started writing more interesting songs once I listened to more funk and pop music for inspiration. You don't have to genuinely love the new music that you listen to, but you should be able to pick out production and songwriting techniques from these songs to use in your own music. Another easy method to come up with new ideas is to play along with drum loops. Sometimes having a predetermined rhythm can make you write melodies at a faster pace. If you use Logic Pro, I recommend using the built-in drummer tool to come up with unique beats. Otherwise, I recommend using the software Easy Drummer. This software has a variety of loops to play along to, or you can create your own beats if none of the loops suit your needs. Please let me know in the comments if you would ever like me to do a tutorial on either of these tools. Another method to overcome writer's block is to change an existing song you love. You could take the chord progression and play it in reverse. You could take the melody and replace notes to make a new melody. You could take the drum beat to give you a groove to jam along to. There's so many possibilities that you can change a song to be your own. Just make sure to change enough to be original. The method I use most to write songs is to find interesting sounds. I frequently go through the virtual instrument patches in Logic Pro to find a sound that inspires me to write new melodies. I have used everything from rolled instruments to 80 synths to cinematic FX patches to create new material. Do you have any songwriting tips that everyone else should know? Please comment them down below if so. Also, please like this video if you found it useful, and have a great day and good luck with your material.